Hello, good morning, my dear students. All of you, welcome to mathematics class again. Today we are discussing about the third chapter, that is data handling. You know, students, what is meant by data handling? It is very simple. It is the handling of a data. Actually, what is meant by a data? A data is the collection of information about some objects, about some situations, about some things, anywhere, anywhere. Okay, and we have three steps for data handling. What are the three steps? Just listen to the board. Okay, students, we have three steps for data handling. Data means information based on something. Okay, and we have three steps. The first one, collection of data. Next one, organization of data. Third one, representation of data. What are the three steps? First one, collection of data. Next one, organization of data. Next one, representation of data. Okay, students, collection of data and organization of data is little bit study we have today. We cannot study this one more. Okay, it's for higher studies. That's why representation of data is important in our class. Okay, so what is mean by collection of data? What is mean by organization of data? You just listen, students. One example, we have to represent or we have to show the marks of 7th standard students in all subjects. How can we find out the marks from the students, or how can we show the marks? Or what is the method for showing the marks, or what is the method for noticing the marks? You think about it. Okay, first step is this one, collection of data. You have to collect all marks from each and every students by asking the students, or by asking to the teachers, or by giving, or by getting the consolidated sheets, consolidated mark sheets. Okay, so anyway, the first method, first step is collection of data. We need to collect the information based on the things. Here, based on the marks, we need to collect all the information. Here, what are the information? We have to collect the marks of all students. Okay, after getting the marks of all students of all subjects, then what is the next step? Yeah, the next step is this one, which is you should plan. You should plan, or you should think, how can I represent this marks? How can I show these marks? Or how can I notice these marks? At that time you will get through tabular form we can represent the marks. Through a chart we can represent the marks. Through a graph we can represent the marks. Like that you will get, after thinking you will get that one. That method or that step is called organization of data. After getting each and every marks of the students, you need to plan, how can I represent the marks? What are the ways to represent the marks? You need to think whether can I write the marks of boys first, or can I write the marks of girls first, or can I write which subjects mark first? Like that, many thinkings are there. This process is called organization of data. Okay, we cannot study this more. It is for high studies. Okay, so the third one is representation of data. It is little bit important in this year. Okay, representation of data. Next step, how can we represent it? After collecting and after planning everything, how can we represent it? Using a tabular form, or using graph, or using a PowerPoint presentation, or using any one of the idea, you can represent that one. At that time you need some thinking, you need some planning. That step is called, or that process is called representation of data. Representation of data includes many different ways. You just look at the students representation of data. We have many ways to represent a data. What are the many ways? First one, you can represent your marks through tabular form. You can make a big table and you can write the names of students and the names of subjects, and you can write each and every marks of the students. That is the best way for representing marks list. Okay, so you can represent the mark sheet using tabular form, or you can represent the marks using graphical format. You can draw bar graphs, pictograph, line graphs, etc. Using the name of the students in one axis and number of students in another axis, or number of subject in another axis. Okay, you can do that one. And a line graph is also, bar graph is also. Okay, so you can represent the given data, you can represent the given information based on these things. Okay, and to this year we have to study about representative values also. Okay, the last year you studied about pictograph, not last year, from earlier classes you studied, I think, pictograph, you know, and about bar graph, that you know, and histogram, do you know? Okay, any problem? We have to study the pictograph, we have to study bar graph, double bar graph, and representative values in this year. Okay, that is very very important too. Next year we are going to the next topic. Are you ready for that? Okay. Students, next we are discussing about representative values. Okay, we have to represent the collected information as different bases. We discussed that one. And these are the mathematical way of representing data handling, or mathematical way of representing the collection of data. Okay, and what are the ways of representing the data? First one, representative values. We have three main representative values. First one is arithmetic mean. Short form is AM. What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean, it is also called average. Okay, arithmetic mean is the first set, and next one is median, and next one is mode. What are the three representative values? Tell me. First one, arithmetic mean. Next one, median. Next one, mode. What is the another word for arithmetic mean? Okay, it is average. And the short form of arithmetic mean equal to AM. Okay, this is the main representative values you have to study. And first we are discussing about arithmetic mean. Students, what is meant by arithmetic mean? If we get, just listen very carefully, if we get some numbers, or if we get some marks based on our class, or based on our school or our subject, anything is there, we have to find the arithmetic mean. Or to find the arithmetic mean, we use the equation arithmetic mean equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Okay, arithmetic mean equal to sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Numbers means observations, means the collected data, the mathematical way of collection of data. Okay, in this case, for arithmetic mean, median and mode, you need which one? Numbers. Okay, using numbers only we can find out all the things. We can find out arithmetic mean, median, mode using numbers. Okay, so what's the equation to find out arithmetic mean, or what's the equation to find out average, or what is the equation to find out AM? Okay, it is sum of the observation by number of observation. Arithmetic mean equal to sum of the observation by number of observation. Okay, now we are going to discuss this set using an example. Okay, once again I am telling, we have three types of representative values. First one is arithmetic mean, next one is median, and the third one is mode. Okay, students, first example is this one. Find the arithmetic mean of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the natural numbers, and we have to find out the arithmetic mean of these numbers. That is arithmetic mean of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the answer, or how can we find out the answer? It's very easy, students. To get the arithmetic mean, we need to sum up all the given numbers and divide the sum of the given numbers by the number of numbers. Okay, here how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 numbers are there. Okay, and so to find out the arithmetic or mean of these numbers, first you should write the equation. Arithmetic mean, short form of AM. Arithmetic mean is short form is AM. Okay, AM equal to sum by number. Sum of observation by number of observation. You can use the short form of this one, sum by number. Okay, and to find out the sum, you should add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, then give the number of numbers. How many numbers are there? 7 numbers. So after adding the sum of this set and by dividing the number of set, you will get arithmetic mean. Okay, just listen. Students, just listen. How can we find out the arithmetic mean? M equal to, which one? M equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, and add all these numbers. We will get 28, and 28 divided by 7. Where we get 7? By counting this one. Here 7 numbers are there. That's why here 7. Okay, and 28 by 7 equal to 4. So 4 is the arithmetic mean of these numbers. Okay, understood? It's very easy one. Okay, look at next question. Find arithmetic mean of 2, 10, 20, 30, 50, 70. We have to find out the arithmetic mean of these numbers. Tell me, students, what is the first step? Okay, you're right. Arithmetic mean equal to sum divided by number. Okay, sum divided by number. Then you write what is the sum? Sum of these numbers. Okay, that means 2 plus 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 50 plus 70 divided by then number. That means number of observation. How many numbers are there here? Okay, you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 numbers are there. So number is 6. So the answer is, by adding this number, what is the answer? Just add 70 plus 50. What is the answer? 120. And 120 plus 30, 150. And 170, 180 and 182. Is it? 182 divided by 6. Okay, and what is the answer of 182 divided by 6? You can cut here. How many 6 in 18? How many 6 in 18? 3 6. Okay. 3 6 correct 18. And how many 6 into? No, actually 0 to 0. Okay, and what is we get a 0 and we get a point here, and how many 6 in 20? Again 3. Okay, this is the cutting method. You can use this one also. 182 divided by 6. Do this one. Okay, and the answer is, what is the answer, students? 30.3. 30.3 is the correct answer of this arithmetic mean. Okay, so arithmetic mean of this number is 30.3, right? I think you understood this one very well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay.